What is most rewarding about hiking?
I think the most rewarding part is getting out and getting exercise. Though I did grow up really close to state parks and spending all my time outside, I never was truly immersed in nature. That's something that I've only more found when I'm in college. And so getting out and being part of the outdoors has been a huge part while I've been hiking. One of the main reasons I came to this Adirondacks semester was to complete hiking the 46 peaks. It's a goal I set for myself my freshman year. After my pre-orientation trip, thought it would be a really cool thing to try out and challenge to set upon myself. And it only really became a reality after sophomore year when I hiked the Great Range, which is 8 peaks, and really realized that this is something I could potentially do.
However, I also found that it was really important to spend time back at the mountain house and to engage with other members of the community.
One of the reasons why I applied to this program is to challenge myself. I was scared of cooking. I kind of dreaded it as well because I was worried that I would make a mistake. At home I would usually cook with my dad, so he's the one who would instruct me what to do. So without having him there, it's like not having a safety net. I was worried that I would burn something or make a dish that simply tasted awful. But through this program, I've pushed myself to overcome that fear by going to Essex Farm and the farmer's market to learn about where my food is coming from and how it is being grown. I now like cooking because of the endless possibilities of combining different ingredients, but also because of the community that built around it. Through this passion, I've gotten to know the locals and even learned from them how to cook different foods. I've learned that I like putting things together and creating something that turned out good for once. It was through these meals that I really got to know people and learn more about their passions, one of which being Laura's.
That's how you warm up. Would you like our trekking pole?
As we were hiking, I struggled.
If I keep telling Seuss it's the summit, she's gonna lose her mind.
I'm already losing my mind, but just keeping it together. I am directionally challenged. But honestly, I had fun. I always thought that hiking was a strenuous and tiring task, but being goofy in nature changed my perspective. It's more about our journey together.
Susanna, the cheese factor is at like a 10 right now. But it is! Onward! Back to civilization! Every hike is a new adventure. I love it. Like, each hike we've done has been different from the last one, but it's always like its own unique, fun adventure.
You hungry?
Yeah, I definitely am. Are you gonna be cooking something?
I guess, but you have to help me.
Okay, I guess I will.
It'll be fun!
Sure.
What we can do, get some onions.
How many carrots do you think we should do? Is this something you learned to cook at home?
We're not like the traditional Chinese family. We like to cook a lot of different dishes.
Why doesn't your family cook like traditional Chinese food?
My dad, he grew up in New York City, so he's more immersed in a diverse neighborhood. I believe where he grew up at first was an Italian neighborhood, so that might be some like introduction of Italian food to him. So then my dad, being my dad, he's like, I'm gonna try to make this and make it better.
I feel kind of like connected to your family. Dinner time!
So this one has dairy in it. It has some milk, tomatoes, basil, oregano, some chili powder, onions, garlic,
Carrots!
and carrots.
I really enjoyed cooking, eating the dish, but more importantly, spending time with Seuss and getting to know her better through her passion.
Through our journey of learning each other's passions, I am now happy to say that Laura is one of my closest friends.